वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब ठीक होंगे। एंड आज का व्लॉग है, वी आर इन मैंगलोर टुडे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस विच इज़ कॉल्ड स्ट्रीट वॉक। यहाँ का बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस स्पॉट है। स्ट्रीट वॉक क्यों है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे आपको स्ट्रीट फूड मिल जाएंगे एंड इट्स अ वेरी अमेजिंग प्लेस फॉर द विजिटर्स who come from Mangalore. Specially I suggest you to go to this place because I have been before here but I couldn't make a vlog because मुझे टाइम बहुत कम मिला वहाँ पे स्पेंड करने के लिए। एंड टुडे whatever how much ever possible मैं आज स्ट्रीट वॉक को कवर करूँगी एंड आई शो यू द रूट ऑल्सो हाउ यू कैन गो। दिस रूट इज़ एक्चुअली कुलशेखरा मेन रोड विच इज़ वेयर वी आर हेडिंग फ्रॉम। तो यहाँ से आपको अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स इट इज़? 8 ओके, फ्रॉम हियर एग्जैक्टली इट इज़ 8 किलोमीटर्स अवे एंड कम्प्लीटली इट्स अ हाईवे एंड यू कैन लाइक बहुत थोड़ी सी जगह पे आपको यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक मिलेगी। एंड मैंगलोर के सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट जो है यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक का इशू नहीं है। यू कैन ईजिली रोम अराउंड वेर एवर यू वॉन्ट एंड इट्स अ वेरी अमेजिंग प्लेस। येस ऑफकोर्स यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है तो उसको अगर आप कंसिडर करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली लिटिल बिट आपको डिफ़िकल्टीज हो सकती हैं मैंगलोर में। अपार्ट ऑफ दैट मैंगलोर इज़ अ अमेजिंग प्लेस टू स्टे हियर फॉर 3 to 4 days approximately and you can see beaches here. I'll cover the beaches also in my upcoming vlogs. Now we are going to street walk as I told you and I'll catch you once I'll go and in the mid I will cover the highway also and I'll give some details. This is actually a Kerala connecting road. This is Kerala highway and here there is a huge traffic jam due to the Netravati river reconstruction का work जो है वो process में है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे जो है ये ट्रैफिक का 3 to 4 किलोमीटर्स यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा इशू होता है। यहाँ पे अगर आप आ रहे हैं तो इस रोड में ट्रैफिक से थोड़ा आपको पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको मिनिमम 10 to 15 मिनट्स ऐसे ही निकल जाएंगे 3 किलोमीटर्स पार करने के लिए। इट्स अ वेरी heavy traffic jam here. Very beautiful sunset but due to this traffic the view is little bit covered. नेत्रावती रिवर एंड दिस इज़ द कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क वेयर इट इज़ गोइंग ऑन। इसी की वजह से यहाँ पे वन वे हो चुका है तो जो दूसरे साइड का रोड है उसको क्लोज कर दिया गया है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक का इतना सारा इशू है। नेत्रावती रिवर यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ब्यूटीफुल सी बोट्स भी है। इफ आई एम एबल टू कैप्चर द बोट्स, इफ यू कैन सी द बोट्स। Try to zoom it. Okay. We actually reached the destination. This is a street walk. Okay. This place looks exactly like this and there is a lot of things here. From here we have to take a U-turn to go to our destination. Our destination is in the right side. Big store here, Adeshwar. All the electronic items where we get, and this is a Ridan Mandi. There is a Mandi house here. You can just have a look. We are here in Ridan Mandi. It's a famous place here for Mandi. Okay, so
Hi guys, welcome to my mother's channel. We're gonna do vlogging.
which place is this? Which place is this?
This place is
Called Ridan Mandi.
Ridan Mandi
In
बायोलॉजिकल पार्क में मिला है
Tamil
Mangalore.
Mangalore.
In Mangalore. Okay,
In
we are
Mangalore.
we are in
Here
Mangalore.
are very much beaches nearby. And there is a night beach also. You can see here.
I will show you. You take the camera and show. Wait.
I'm gonna show you. Zoo here. Snakes Park. And there's a water park. There's a beach. And another beach.
राइस तो एक ही रहेगा ना
And a train. I can show you just now.
वही है, एक प्लेट में 8 प्लेसेस आते हैं.
Yeah, you already saw this. And here so many beaches and water park. I need to show you later.
यहाँ पे हमने मंदी ऑर्डर की मटन की, और इसी के साथ स्टार्टर्स में हमें यहाँ पे मटन का जो सूप है उसको ऑफ़र किया गया है. दिस इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड. जस्ट स्टार्टर के तौर पे इन्होंने मटन सूप जो है उसको ऑफ़र किया है. इट लुक्स अमेजिंग.
This is the starters.
यस. Very delicious, hot and spicy soup. It's amazing taste.
This is starters.
छोटा है बल्कि इतना मत चलाओ
मेरे से बड़े रहो नहीं तो लड़की रहो तभी
यहाँ पे भी टाइम निकाल लेके फाइट टाइम निकाल लो आप लोग. यहाँ खाना खाने आए, हम लोग यहाँ घूमने आए, यहाँ पे भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम निकालो फाइट करने के वास्ते.
अरे यार 10 मिनट मेरा ज़्यादा हो गया ना टाइम.
This is actually
I think this is like shawarma mayonnaise.
manjalis, what we call. This is a traditional way to have food. Very comfortable and homely feeling to have food. This is a special dish. This is called what is this dish called?
Dynamic chicken.
Dynamic chicken. And this is famous dish in Ridan Mandi. This is a chicken mandi and this is a mutton mandi, which is very famous here. Let's have. Once I have, I'll catch you up. This is a street walk. You can just see, it's a very beautiful place. Kids and elders are enjoying swings and all. A fake camel here. This is a Chhatri Chowk. Very beautiful. रुको. A perfume shop here. Farhan, come here. It's a toy shop.
यहाँ पे जाएंगे.
Mangalore Express. Info. outdoors. Okay. You'll get a beautiful dresses also here. King's Burger, Infinity Gaming Lodge है ये, and this is the Chai Chowk, and the food place also, it's a very beautiful. Domen Momo. हाँ जाएंगे
हाँ देखिए देख के आते हैं
A big Hulk here, a twist potato shop, all a very beautiful things are here. A beautiful pool for kids, a play area for small kids. I think it's for below 4 years. There is a water pool here for kids. We'll go that side. There's an ice cream shop also here, and Kulki Sharbat, which is very famous in Kerala, and you have a China house. हाँ
कब जा रहा लगा ऐसा
बाबा हम दे बता जाएंगे. There's a cricket. क्या है ये? Yes, catch a bottle. Very big screen for cricket lovers here. Very beautiful ambience. Very beautiful ambience. I love this place. Crowd also is less, and there is no entry fee also. Here you can enjoy delicious food. Guys, I have visited a shop here. It's called, the name of the shop is Secret Heart. Okay, the very beautiful shop, and you'll get all the needed things here, like jewelries, bows, clutches, and many other things like bracelets, and the prices also is very reasonable. I think you should visit here whenever you visit to Street Walk. It's in the entrance itself, in the beginning only. After the Ither shop you will get this particular shop. It's called Secret Heart, and it's an amazing place to shop, do the shopping for, especially for girls. And I'll show you what are the things they have. And the person who is standing behind to me is the owner of the shop. Sir, your good name? Faisal. His name is Mr. Faisal, and he assists really good and fulfill the requirements. Whatever we need, he'll give the options also to us, and I feel very comfortable shopping here. A very beautiful earrings, a pearl wala earrings. It's very, very amazing. The person is Mr. Faisal is showing all the unique pieces to us. The rates also are the rates also is very, very soothing and comfortable prices also, and the stone colors, whatever it is, it definitely going to be matched to your dress. If whatever the requirements are there, you are going to get almost here. Can you, Mr. Faisal, can you please tell me the prices also?
Yeah,
for
those
this?
are 300 in cost.
300 rupees in cost. Any like girls always love to bargain.
Is there some nice prices in the cost?
Okay,
I'll give
what
the
the best price you can do?
Yeah, I'll give the best price.
Okay, Mr. Faisal has told us they'll give the best price for all these earrings, and as I told you, you can see the both. This is actually trending now, and you can see the beautiful butterfly clutches here, and earrings and necklaces, beautiful necklaces.
Those type clips is those type.
See here, this is a beautiful.
Those are Korean items. These are nice
yes.
ones. I have some nice clips if you need Korean ones.
See, this is a very beautiful things, and trending things are there. So you can see here.
And some nice charm bracelet is there. Those types. Those are best prices here.
Wow.
Those are
So
good ones.
really beautiful.
those types is it.
It's really beautiful colors and
Some
all.
nice panda,
Very awesome. What is the price
unicorns,
of this one?
everything. Those are 70 bucks.
70 bucks.
Yes.
Wow, nice.
Those are unicorns.
Actually, I don't think so. I am able to cover the shine and the beauty of that charms. Actually, if you come practically here to this shop, and if you see this, and you'll fall in love. I'm telling you. And here you can see the beautiful trending necklaces also with the pendant. It's amazing. A small rubber ear bands also you'll get, and the teddy bands also you'll get. It's and for gifting to someone who you love, you have a beautiful teddy bears and school bags. Here the multiple color hair bows are there, and here's the soft toys.
Those types is there. Some nice
This is
neck
a
chain.
trending neck chains are there, which is really beautiful.
And with butterfly everything. Those type.
Amazing.
And this one is bracelet. Some nice bracelet.
This is a bracelet. I think I'm able to capture this bracelet.
Pearl earring, pearl necklace. Nice ones.
What will be the cost of this pearl
Those
necklace?
are 300, 290, 250, different prices.
What about the guarantee of
It is
this
a
chain?
6 month warranty is there.
6 month warranty is
Yeah,
there.
Those
Okay.
type is a double layer chain. Some
Wow.
nice ones.
I think I'm able to capture the shine, the stones there. It's
Everything.
really beautiful and the trending
If you want
designs.
to wear for simple also, it's a double set.
Okay. You can just turn it off,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, here you can see a beautiful. Nowadays, girls are love to wear this type of earrings, the stone one. You can get it in a golden color also, rose gold also, and the silver also. And
Some nice
here
kadas is there. Those are
you
good
have a
kadas.
kadas here, which Mr. Faisal told us that this is from actually Dubai, and this color doesn't fade for
Yeah.
coming 6 months. You can just wear without
Yeah, some
any.
nice charm bracelet also, sir. Those type.
This is for mid-age women also, and this is for the girls also, college girls or any
Those
working
type,
women and all.
butterfly, everything is there. Those are good ones.
Very nice and beautiful it is. And this is, they are giving a guarantee for 6 months also, and multiple designs and multiple things you have here, keychains, everything. Very nice.
Football type those type is there. From Ronaldo spinners.
Wow.
Lockets.
Even for the boys also you'll get.
Yeah, everything. Those are toes and
Yes.
chains.
You can see a very beautiful soft toys here, very beautiful. This is direct from China, and you will not get much of products here like this. If you wanted to visit to this shop, if you are going to visit to shop, you can definitely purchase this for your loved one to gift for their special occasions and all. Really awesome. I love the teddies, and I love the price also. This is very affordable prices, I may say. Very nice. And let me tell you, this shop name is Secret Heart, which is located in Mangaluru Street Walk. It's in the beginning of the street walk. The owner's name is Mr. Faisal. You can have a best discounts here if you visit here. And now we are moving towards a gaming section where the children can play a multiple games here. As you can see, my daughter is playing games here, and for the son also there is many games here. In my vlog I will show you how many games they have played. This is a basketball sort of, and this charges you 350 rupees, and 7 to 8 games will be. The best part of this gaming section is that you confirmly win the prizes here, and we won 100 rupees. So where we got some prizes also, which I'll show you in my vlog up. And kids had a lot of fun here. They enjoyed a lot, and we had a very good eating street food options also. And yeah, it's in the weekend, definitely you will be having lot of crowd. If you wanted to really chill out, you can come in the weekdays, so that you can aram se you can explore the place, and you can take some beautiful pictures and all. If you come in the weekends, definitely you will have a fun, definitely. But the thing is, there will be a lot of crowd here, so it's always better to come in the weekdays and have fun. less traffic and less crowd will be there, so coming and going back will be really easy for you. And here there is a hockey, this one also, where my son tried to play and he won also. Very good place, not like it's a comfortable place for you, comfortable for your kids also. Good atmosphere, good ambience, nice. I really love this place. वाले गेम्स है ना, उसका टिकट जो था 350 रुपीज़ था, जिसमें हमें 7 to 8 गेम्स कवर करने को मिला। और दिस इज़ व्हाट वी वन देयर। ये है मिनी सोप पेपर एंड ये है वेट टिश्यूज़ इसके अंदर। टाइम टू हैव गर्मा गर्म चाय बिकॉज आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ चाय। इट्स अ वेरी यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट हियर। देयर इज़ अ mesh wall where you can put a locks, the name and the date of you're locking the date of it, and whatever the wishes you have, you can just lock the wishes. Even you can see here the mini boards have been written. Whatever you have your wish, you can just lock it here. You can purchase the lock and you can fix this here. बहुत ही यूनिक और बहुत ही अलग कॉन्सेप्ट है, लेकिन अच्छा है जो भी है। इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल। तो नाउ आई एम गोना एंड दिस व्लॉग एंड आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। इट वाज अ ऑसम प्लेस, एज आई टोल्ड यू। विजिट विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, चिल आउट, हैव अ ग्रेट family time here, a friends time here. Just signing off. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We'll see you in the other video with the new places exploring. Do subscribe my channel if you like the video, like my video and share as much as you can, so that whoever planning to visit Mangalore, they can just explore the things whatever I have shown. So take care, bye bye.